In this video, I want to talk to you about phase 2 of the growth of your Amazon business, which I've called the related products expansion. Now, this is all about growth. You've established your business, you've done the hard work, and remember the metric for that is to get 20 consistent sales a day as a minimum, and you need 50 mostly 5-star reviews. Now I say mostly because any site that has just got 50 blanket 5-star reviews is likely to be looked at slightly oddly by Amazon. So having some real reviews, and if somebody puts in a 3-star review or a 4-star review or even a 1-star review, that's fine. That's absolutely fine because it shows that your reviews are authentic. And if you did stuff it with fake reviews, I think you'll find that Amazon will quickly take them down. If not now, then they're certainly going to get wise to this in the future. Now, once you've got your phase 1 established, then you can start to sell your second product. And this is what the growth is all about. But you need to have a closely related product in the same niche. Now, you can be doing this, you're preparing it and sourcing it and sampling it and testing it and getting prototypes and all the rest of it while you're developing your phase 1 business. That's absolutely fine. So that you're ready to launch once you've hit the key objectives of phase 1. But you don't launch early. Make sure that you are firmly established before you bring out your second product. Now, the impact of bringing a second product into the business will surprise you because it will have a multiplier effect on sales. This is not 1 + 1 = 2. It's 1 + 1 = 3, 4, or 5. One of the things that Amazon is very good at is showing you the people who bought this, bought that. And therefore, if somebody buys or starts to buy one or either of your products, Amazon will suggest to them that they buy the other one. And that'll really help you to accelerate the growth of the sales of that product. But remember, you need to get that second product up to the same consistent level of sales. In this case, it's probably 20 to 50 sales a day and another 50 reviews before you go on to your third product and your fourth product and then your fifth product. Now, I wouldn't necessarily go beyond 5 products because once you've got 5 products, you're going to have a 6-figure business, which I'm sure you'll absolutely find delightful. And what you may wish to do is actually start anew in a new niche rather than just keep on adding products. But whether you do that is entirely down to you. But however you do it one phase at a time. Now, let me talk to you about the importance of reinvesting your money in the working capital of your business. And this is all about managing your cash flow carefully. I want you to understand that as your sales grow, you'll be needing to plow back the profits into your business to buy new inventory in order that you maintain at least 30 days stock levels. The worst thing that can happen to you is that you run out of stock, because if you run out of stock, not only do you lose sales momentum and therefore you're likely to get demoted in terms of the Amazon algorithm, but you're also going to lose sales. Somebody else who's going to pick up that sale, and that's a terrible thing. You've done all the hard work to get to the point you're at, and then you start losing sales because you haven't managed your stock properly. Now, let me explain a little bit how you work out the impact of this. You know what the cost of your item is going to be, and include shipping in that, and you multiply that by daily sales and multiply that by 30. And that is the amount of working capital that part of the business will need to sustain itself. Now, the good news is that if you build your business up gradually and you keep reinvesting money in your stock as you go, then actually this will be self-funding. But if you take money out of the business for whatever reason, whether it's to start another business or it's just to pay your own expenses, you may find yourself with inadequate working capital and therefore the wrong levels of stock, and therefore you'll have stock shortages and lose sales. So that's a really important point that you need to master and keep in the back of your mind as you grow this business through this phase. So that's it, phase 2, the related products expansion, how you really accelerate this business forward. I hope you found that helpful, and I'll see you again very soon in another video.